Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Schaap-Oziemlak, the owner of Bio-Inspired Think Tank, the startup which is located in Leiden Bioscience Park, which some pictures I brought in the background. And from this very special location, I'd like to cordially invite you, especially all ladies and gentlemen from BioThursday online platform, and also the founder, the Kasia Kurowska, the great businesswoman which is empowering other women. So I would like to actually introduce and invite you to the next event, which is BioThursday event online Agile edition. So, you know, what I truly feel also inspired and excited that this proposal from Kasia happened actually. I didn't expect that this will happen, to be honest, but that was really a surprise, and that's why I feel even more excited, more empowered, also by Kasia, which is the founder of the BioThursday platform with 284 followers of members. So all the followers and members of BioThursday event, please feel welcome to join this special edition of BioThursday to learn how it is to be agile. And we're going to perform workshop. Me as an agile energetic coach, I feel even more empowered now to actually facilitate the event with workshop when you can experience the best flavors of Agile. And of course, again, I'm really grateful to Kasia. Kasia, a special virtual merci to you for all your ongoing support. And what is very here important, all the informations, registration, and so on, Kasia will post on the BioThursday platform. So please stay tuned and see you all 28th of April at BioThursday event to learn how it is to be agile, and hopefully this event will also empower you and create great positive energy for a positive change for all of you. Thank you. See you there. See you 28th of April.